So I just woke up from a nap. It's a Saturday afternoon. I got my earplugs in. My beard's all, smashed in my face. So the reason I'm laughing and I'm recording this video real quick is I get my sandals on to come outside. Is because Cris, when she gets an idea in her head, she just goes and does it. And I'm more of a planner, and I want to record videos of everything because it's content for the channel. So I wake up and this is what I come out here. I'm flipping the camera around so you guys can see this, because now I'm gonna do the front-facing camera. So apparently, because we had all this mesh left over from when I used it for the chicken coop, right? So what did you do? Come here and explain what you did. Here, you have to, because we didn't get the how-to videos, so half of this.
It was
8 meters,
and I used 4
so 16 feet.
to do a rectangular.
And you just bent the corners.
Yes, in the corner I used the rest of this.
So we had a leftover piece of laminate or sheet metal. Why are these separated from the other ones?
It's because they eat different food.
Okay.
Yes.
So they're eating a green mixture,
Yeah.
which is like baby food.
Yes. If I put them together, they will eat this food and they will eat the other.
Yeah. So these are where the egg layers are, and these are we had 4 babies. 1 didn't survive. I don't know if anybody noticed that. Like when we first brought them home, we had 4. We're not quite sure what happened, but one of them wasn't feeling well one day and didn't make it through the night. These are the 3 that survived, and they're getting quite big, as you can see already. But they need their own little space because we were having them in the and we have been. I think we even brought them in last night because it was raining all night. But I think they should be fine outside now. So this is their little space for a few weeks until they get bigger, and at some point when they get done eating the green baby food, we move them in here. But the food that they're getting is for eggs.
4 months after.
Oh, so it's more than a few days. They're going to be here for, well, but you're letting them out every day, right? Until they start eating your garden and then no more. Anyway, this is what I was laughing about, everybody, because I go to bed, I sleep with earplugs because of, like, you can hear the noise, there's stuff happening. But what makes me laugh is she is supposed to record videos, and she never remembers to record. Everybody needs to tell Cris to remember to record videos.
Sorry.
That was a how-to video that is now missing. Sad face. Well, good job, Cris. It looks good, though. Let me go look for what it looks like back from here. It's one more, So yeah, another little structure. Yeah, looks good. And then we have, obviously, our cat shelter here. Have those there. Garden area is doing really good. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention as we get deeper and deeper into this, but like, we're getting more containers now, and it's just kind of spreading towards the house. Then we have all the stuff she's been planting over here. The pazote took really well. Like this, we planted it, and like the next day it was already good to go. And those are 2 papaya trees, chili plants. What?
Leia's inside. I don't know how, but
Somehow Leia's inside the chicken coop. She's all happy. What are you doing, honey? How did you get in there? When mommy got eggs. I guarantee it was when mommy got eggs.
Maybe I took 1 egg.
Come here, Leia. Come on. Leia, come here.
Leia.
Come on, honey. Come on.
Come on, Leia.
Leia.
Come on.
Here, can you... Here, I gotta put these in my pocket.
Come on, Leia. Come on.
She's gonna go in. This is why I built the door, though.
Come on. Come on. What's the
Yeah, I guarantee it's when you open the eggs, because she tries to sneak in a lot. Compost pile, which is slowly growing now. Also has leaves and seeds in there from the almond trees. They're not really almonds, though. They're a weird kind of almond. Oh, by the way, check out the avocado trees are growing. We're gonna have to transplant those soon.
This is the chile tiene flor.
Oh, our chili tree has. Wait, hang on. I gotta make sure I get it on the camera. Or we can't see it very well. I don't know if I get it to focus or not, but it's got its little flower. All right. Well, that's the Saturday afternoon update, everybody. Good job, Cris.
Thank you.
All right, I'm awake now. I gotta get some food in me. See you guys later.